Once a man named Alaric, he sought immortality but found only a curse. From the shadows, he emerged, a gal with glowing red eyes, his hunger insatiable. He stalked the peaceful town, a grotesque parody of his former grace, as unsuspecting souls felt a sudden chill, a fear of moving shadows. Cornering his prey, the gal lunged, but the victim's innocent terror sparked a memory. A flicker of Alaric's humanity surfaced, and he hesitated, racked with regret for the monster he'd become. Overwhelmed by this self-awareness, his cursed form destabilized. He dissipated into dust, a tragic lesson on ambition's cost. Survivors were left with a lingering sadness, forever changed.